Good evening, everyone. We are from the Internet Society India Chennai chapter. Internet Society India Chennai is one of the 100 chapters of the Internet Society. Internet Society is home to that Internet technical community and to organizations like Internet Engineering Task Force, Internet Architecture Board. And we take part in policy related to Internet governance. We help in the further evolution of Internet, and we work to preserve the Internet as a free, open, and global ecosystem. Internet has become very, very important, and as it becomes important for business and for the way we live our lives, governments are paying a lot of attention to Internet, and Internet governance is being discussed in various forums like the Internet Governance Forum. And in all these forums, a very select group of participants have been taking a lot of interest and have been consistently participating with dedication, with a lot of dedication. But as the process of governance becomes more important, we thought that locally in Chennai and in India, we should involve a wider group of stakeholders from business, from civil society, from government, from academia. So one of the purpose of this meeting, which is actually a Asia Internet Symposium funded by Internet Society and organized with a lot of support from Internet Society Asia Pacific Regional Bureau. And we take this opportunity to bring together a wider group of stakeholders who are not so far active participants of the Internet governance process. That is one of the objectives. And the other objective is to start an exercise whereby we as a country start thinking about strengthening the Internet governance framework, contribute more and more to the evolution of Internet, contribute more and more to the free and open Internet. And the way we want to do is to discuss about a higher form of Internet governance, and we want to look at various ideas. We want to discuss some ideas by which we could strengthen the Internet governance process. That would be done in the roundtable part. So with this purpose, this Asia Internet Symposium is organized, and I would welcome Mr. Bharat Epur, Director, Epur Investments, Samiran Gupta, Head of India from Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers, David Appasamy, formerly from SIFI, and now Chairman of Raising Eyebrows, and Rajneesh Singh, Director, Internet Society Asia Pacific Bureau, and all the senior business people and visionary thinkers seated around the table. Thank you very much.